There's lots of ways to use ulu flour in the kitchen, from baking to breading to thickening.
If you're new to using ulu flour, there's a few things to keep in mind for best results. First, ulu flour is much more absorbent than all-purpose wheat flour, so you may need to compensate by adding more liquid. For wet recipes such as banana bread or brownies, we recommend a 50-50 ratio of ulu flour to other flours. For recipes with less liquid, such as cookies, we recommend starting with 30% ulu flour. Hawaii Ulu Co-op's ulu flour is made with whole fruit, similar to whole wheat flour. It's high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and has a slight nutty flavor.
I like using ulu flour for lots of reasons.
First, ulu flour is healthy. It's a great source of fiber and decreases your risk of cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. It can even lower cholesterol levels.
Ulu flour is one of the only flours we have that is locally grown and milled, supporting Hawaii farmers and the economy.
Ulu is a culturally and historically important staple crop in Hawaii. Incorporating it into our meals helps build connection to place and knowledge of where we live.
Ulu is one of the most sustainable staple crops on Earth,
and a critical piece of our food system resilience. Start incorporating ulu flour gradually into recipes. Begin with 20 to 25% substitution and gradually work up to 50% or more.
Hawaii Ulu Co-op, farmer owned, ʻāina grown.